The solar system. Our solar system is formed 4.5 billion years ago from a dense of interstellar gas dust called a solar nebula. Our solar system consists of one star, which is the Sun, and 8 planets. The Sun is a yellow dwarf star, a star that gives the Earth heat and light, most important source of energy. Latin word of sun, sol, means solar, and has a massive mass. Mercury, the first planet. Smallest and closest, innermost planet in the solar system. It takes 88 days to complete the orbit. It named after Greek god Hermes. It has a thin atmosphere, a small amount of hydrogen, helium, oxygen, and sodium. The temperature of 800 degrees Fahrenheit, 180 degrees Celsius in day, negative 290 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 180 degrees Celsius in night. Venus, the second planet. It named after the Roman goddess of love and beauty. It takes 225 days to orbit, 900 degrees Fahrenheit, 482 degrees Celsius. Thick clouds, it has thick clouds. Second brightest object in the sky after the moon. Earth. Earth is the third planet. Fifth largest planet in the solar system with liquid water on the surface, biggest among the four terrestrial planets. Name Earth is a Germanic word, means the ground. Planet Earth is composed of 70% of water, a perfect place for life as we know it. The temperature is 61 degrees Fahrenheit, 16 degrees Celsius. It has one moon and no rings. 365 days in 1 year to complete the orbit, one day equivalent to 24 hours. Mars, the fourth planet. The fourth planet, a dusty, cold desert world with a thin atmosphere. It has 4 seasons, summer, winter, autumn, and spring. A red planet. It's called red planet because it gets red color because of iron soil rusting. It takes 687 days or 2 years to complete the orbit. It has 2 months named Phobos and Deimos. The time is 24 hours and 37 minutes in a day. It has a temperature of negative 20 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 28 degrees Celsius. Jupiter, the fifth planet. Largest planet in the solar system. It is called the gas giant planet. It has an atmosphere, is made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. It has 67 named moons and 14 no name. Some moons have ocean. It has great red spot, a gigantic storm that's about twice the size of the Earth and has raged for over a century. It takes 12 years to complete the orbit. No surface forever flying. The time is 10 hours in 1 day. The temperature is 162 degrees Fahrenheit, negative 108 degrees Celsius. Saturn, the sixth planet. The temperature is negative 218 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 138 degrees Celsius. It is second largest in the solar system after Jupiter. It is called a gas giant. It takes 30 years to complete the orbit. It composed of entirely hydrogen and helium. It has 82 moons, and the ring is made up of ice. Uranus, the seventh planet. Uranus is the coldest planet in the solar system. It is rich in methane gas or odor. It takes 84 years to complete the orbit. It has 13 rings, 27 moons, and the surface temperature is negative 197 degrees Celsius, and the atmosphere temperature is negative 224 degrees Fahrenheit. Neptune, the eighth planet. Neptune is made of thick soup of water, ammonia, and methane over an Earth-sized solid center. It is methane gives Neptune the blue color. It takes 165 years to complete the orbit and 16 hours to rotate once a day. Neptune has 14 known moons, 5 rings, and the most windiest world. It has the temperature of negative 331 degrees Fahrenheit and negative 201 degrees Celsius. For the trivia, revolving around the Sun are 8 planets. The planets are divided into 2 categories, the terrestrial and Jovian. The terrestrial planets are Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. These terrestrial planets are made by a rocky material, has a solid surface, doesn't have a ring, and probably they are small planets. They don't have multiple moons, unlike Jovians. The Jovian planets. The Jovian planets are Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Jupiter and Saturn are gas giants. They are made by helium and hydrogen. While Uranus and Neptune are ice giants, the 4 planets that has multiple moons and has rings.